Hello creative kid, welcome to my channel. This is Omar. Before we start, please like, subscribe and share my channel to encourage me to make more experiments in future. Please follow the ingredients and steps exactly for your experiment to succeed. Today, we are going to make new and amazing experiments. Today we will do fire extinguisher. What do you need to make this experiment? 4 teaspoons baking soda, candle, 2 teaspoons vinegar, cup, lighter. What to do for your experiment to succeed? Mix the baking soda and vinegar in the cup. Let the mixture stop fizzing and light the candle. Pretend that there is a liquid in the glass and pour it over the candle. What just happened? The baking soda and vinegar reacted to form carbon dioxide. Fire needs oxygen to burn. When you poured the carbon dioxide into the flame did not get any oxygen and so it died. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to support my channel. See you soon at the next video.